guys, Candice of Candice Ayala here, and today I'm here with
Abigail.
And we are going to show you how to make a super easy corner bookmark.
Which is right at the corner of the book.
Exactly. Okay, our first step is gathering all of our supplies, and Abby's going to tell us what those are.
What I like to do is you can make silly names to remember what these are.
Okay.
Fred the Felt.
Gonna need felt.
Freddie the Felt.
More felt.
Vicky.
The variegated thread. Because we're using black felt, we're gonna use a colored chalk pen so that when we mark, we can see what they are.
Sally.
The scissors.
Pink.
The pinking shears.
Silly.
Snips. And that's all we need. Okay, so now that we have all of our supplies, we're gonna start making our shape onto our felt. To do that, it's very important to remember to use the 90-degree angle on the side of your felt. That is what's gonna make it a corner bookmark. So let's start by making our shapes. And today we're gonna do hearts. Abby's gonna use the blue and I'm gonna use the pink. And Abby's gonna freehand on her end. And what I'm gonna do, because I like symmetry, I will fold right here in my corner. And I'm going to use the corner of a glass. And you can decide how big you want your shape. You can start up here. Depends on what book you're gonna be using it in. If your book's a little smaller, you kind of want it to be smaller. I think that's a good shape right there. And we're gonna mark that. So this is similar like what you did when you were in school and you used to cut these shapes out of paper. I have my first shape, and because I want that to match, I'll take it over here on the other corner and cut that out. And we have our two shapes. There you go. And so I'm gonna fold Abby's. You can fold it this way. And then I'll cut two at the same time. There we go. It's a very cute shape. And now we have two of our hearts. And we're gonna take this to the machine. Okay, so now we're at the machine with our two pieces and we're gonna lay them together. You don't really have to pin this because it's kind of small and it's felt, so it really won't be shifting. We're gonna start on the straight edge here and we're gonna pivot at the point and go up the other edge. You're not gonna sew the curves.
Lift up Larry the lever.
So we're gonna lift up Larry the lever, place it right there, right up on the edge, and we're gonna stitch all the way to the other point.
Then we're gonna press Penny the presser foot.
Yes. So for this stitch, I'm gonna use a decorative stitch. We're going to use the zigzag stitch, and I'm going to switch over to my stretch stitches. You see that marking there, it's in pink, and it's down here in pink. And we're gonna start. On the back stitch here. Continue all the way around. I'm gonna make sure my needle's down and pivot in the other direction and start. We're gonna stop at the end, backstitch some more.
Lift up Larry.
Lift up Larry, and we're gonna use the snips or the scissors.
Sally the scissors.
To cut. But there we go. Our bookmark is complete. And what you can do, what I like to do, is I'll take off the excess right here with my pinking shears. So it's right up on the edge. And that variegated thread made a really pretty rainbow design. All the way around. And there we have it, your finished bookmark. And we slip it in. And there you go. Awesome.
All right, it's my turn.
Abby's doing a smocking stitch. Okay, stop. Make sure your needle is down. Yes, now we're gonna pivot. All the way. All the way. It's okay. You're doing great. Okay, now you back stitch here. Back stitch. Okay, and then lift your needle up. Good job.
This is my design that I saw this design and it's very beautiful to me. And then
you're gonna use the pinking shears.
Always have a grown-up to help you with doing the edges because it's a little tricky. There you have it, a bookmark.
And that's how easy it is. To find more easy projects like this, just visit babylock.com.
Hope you enjoyed this video.